Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share notes with one specific person on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then just to get into your DMS, and the hit right here at that plus sign to leave a note. And now first off, just enter right here some text. I'm just gonna type in hi. And then instead of selecting followers, you follow back. You can hit add to close friends feature just selected. And after that you can check mark just specific users whom you want to share this note with. I'm just gonna select these 2 users and then hit at done. Now I can tap on share to share this note with the dead users. And the cool feature here is that these users wouldn't know that this specific note is shown just for specific persons. They wouldn't be able to see the privacy for that note. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about the tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, to which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.